We are going to Russia this year.
Really? Where in Russia are you going?
To Sochi. There are many interesting sites there.
Are there any historical places there?
Well, according to my research, there is Stalin's dacha. That's the place where the leader of the USSR used to stay.
Wow, that sounds interesting. Please take as many pictures as you can.
Traveling is one of the best ways to spend your free time. Visiting other places broadens your horizons and clears out all unnecessary thoughts. After the Industrial Revolution, the invention of jet airplanes and fast trains were provided with easier and more convenient ways of traveling. But what do you do when you reach the place you've never been before? Some people tend to walk along the banks of the local rivers, others rush to see famous sites and historical places. There are many historical places in the United Kingdom. One of the most famous is Stonehenge. We know neither the purpose of constructing this monument nor the year of building. This ancient monument attracts millions of tourists every year. They all want to try to understand the mystery behind this construction. Another famous landmark can be found in Russia. It's called the Hermitage Museum. The building of the museum used to be the symbolic palace of the Russian emperor. This is one of the largest museums in the world. The Hermitage is also admired by millions of people every year. What would you like to choose? Would it be a mysterious ancient building or the former residence of the emperor? Try to guess the meaning of these words. 1. Provide. Give somebody something they need. 2. Symbol. An object that represents something. 3. Supply. A product. 4. Export. Send something to another country.